You don't need a garden to enjoy fresh, homemade herbal tea. Many tea plants grow perfectly in small containers. Even on a sunny windowsill, herbal plants are naturally compact. They smell amazing, look beautiful, and give you leaves you can dry or brew fresh. So today, let's explore 10 herbal tea plants that grow extremely well in pots, no matter how small your space is. Let's begin. 1. Mint is the king of container tea plants. It grows fast and spreads quickly, which is why pots are the best way to control it. The leaves make a refreshing tea that helps with digestion and stress. Keep the soil moist and give it partial sun. One pot can give you fresh leaves all year. 2. Lemon balm. Lemon balm is a calming herb with a bright lemon scent. It's great for evening teas that help with sleep and relaxation. It grows beautifully in containers because it likes cozy roots. It prefers soft sunlight or partial shade and keeps growing back after each cut. 3. Chamomile. Chamomile tea is famous for calming the mind. German chamomile grows best in small pots and produces tiny daisy-like flowers. The flowers are the part you brew. Chamomile enjoys cool weather and soft sunshine. Once it starts blooming, you'll get flowers for weeks. 4. Holy basil. Tulsi tea is popular for boosting immunity and reducing stress. The plant grows well in medium sunlight and doesn't need heavy feeding. Tulsi produces more flavorful leaves when you pinch the tops regularly. Many 2025 compact varieties stay small, making them ideal for containers. 5. Lemon verbena. Lemon verbena smells like fresh lemon candy. The leaves make one of the most fragrant herbal teas. It grows happily in pots as long as you give it full sunlight. Lemon verbena loves warm weather and regular pruning. The more you trim, the bushier it becomes. 6. Rosemary. Rosemary tea may surprise some people, but it's great for focus and digestion. Rosemary loves bright sunlight and well-draining soil. It's a strong plant that can handle heat and wind on balconies. Harvest small sprigs regularly to keep it compact. 7. Thyme. Thyme makes a soothing tea for colds, coughs, and sore throats. It stays naturally small, which is perfect for containers. Thyme loves sun and dry soil. Water lightly and let the soil dry between waterings. It's one of the easiest herbs to maintain. 8. Lemongrass. Lemongrass grows tall but stays tidy in pots. The stalks brew into a refreshing citrusy tea that's great for relaxation and digestion. It loves warm temperatures and full sunlight. You can harvest from the outer stalks while the plant keeps growing from the center. 9. Ginger. Ginger tea is warming and great for cold days. Growing ginger in pots is easy. Plant a healthy piece of ginger root in warm, moist soil. It likes indirect light and steady moisture. You can harvest small sections of the rhizome without uprooting the whole plant. 10. Stevia. Stevia isn't for tea flavor but for natural sweetness. Add a few fresh leaves to your herbal teas and you won't need sugar. The plant grows well in pots with full sun and light soil. It stays compact and responds well to pruning. Extra tips. Use pots with drainage holes to prevent soggy soil. Harvest regularly. Most herbs grow back stronger after trimming. Choose slightly bigger pots for lemongrass and ginger. Herbs taste stronger when grown in full sun. Dry extra leaves and store them in airtight jars for winter. Water in the morning to keep plants healthy. If you enjoyed this list, tell me which herbal tea plant you want to grow first. And if you love simple gardening guides like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. Happy tea gardening!